So this is the website of ReWear, which is a community-driven website for clothing swapping and exchange. So this is the homepage of the website in which different options are shown in the navigation bar. Here, this is the carousel, and these are the testimonials. This is the login and sign up options. So this is about the start swapping, which will at first tell the user about to enter their credentials for as they are logging for the first time. And here is the login page. So at the login page, we are entering the mail ID here and the password. So when we are entering the wrong password, it will show that these credentials are invalid. When we are entering the right password, it will grant us the access to the website. So by default, all the users have 100 points as special bonus in this website. Here it is the edit profile option and the notification. These are the listings of the users which have put on the website. These are the swap requests, and this is the edit profile option from where the users can edit their profile. This is the notifications option, which will provide the information regarding the swapping, whether the swappings are approved, the pending request for the swapping, and the recent swap requests. And when we go at the browse items, now these are the items which are currently available on the website for swapping. Now this item costs 1000 points. When we request for this, the website will say that the points are insufficient and 1000 points are required for these items. So let's try another item. Back to browse. So this is the item which is of 10 points. Let's request for this. So we have, as this item is already requested for swapping, the website will say that this item is already swapped, or it is already requested for swap. So let's back to browse and try to swap another item. So this is again a new item. Let's swap this. So it says that, hey, the swap request is sent successfully. Then these are the another items, like back to browsing. Through this we can add the items, and these are the different items from which we can add. Let's say here it is, let's say it's a car, let's say BMW, let's say category is men's clothing. I'm entering whatever I have right now actually. So the condition is like new. Let's say points are about 10. The description is car. So this is item, we are adding this item. So this item is added successfully when we browse at these items. So we can see that the car is added. We can, again, as it is our item, we cannot request for this item. So let's go to dashboard. This is the dashboard. Now let's try with it another ID. Again entering the credentials of the ID. So here this user has 140 points in his ID. These are the listings about their items, and here it is showing that this user has requested for the swap, and here when we click accept, then the item is accepted. And this is the swap request. So when again we will enter the old user ID, we can observe that the swap request will be accepted, and here we can see that the t-shirt ID is accepted. The swap request for the t-shirt is accepted. Thank you very much.